Hi, this is a report on a group talk we had today with three participants, Masato, Sugako, and Hiroyuki. Today's topic was favorites, any kind of favorites. 4 words, new words we had today, worth. So something that has a high value, something that is a good use of time or money. So for example, you could say because of its benefits, it's worth it to spend time studying English. Okay, and we also had restraint, which means to hold back your true feelings. So you could say he showed great restraint and didn't join his friends for drinks. Okay, predictable is something where you can guess where the outcome will be. You can guess fairly easily, you know. An example might be the soccer match between New Zealand and Brazil would have a predictable finish, predictable score. I think Brazil will be way higher. Diversity is when you have a large range to choose from. For example, I went to a cafe which had a great diversity in the number of cakes they had on offer. Some things people had difficulty with, watch and see, again cropped up, talking about sakura. You go to see sakura, you can't watch sakura because watch is something that has a set time. If you watch sakura, you'll be in the park for about 2 or 3 weeks, which is a long time. Also, be careful with numbers. Okay, so for example, if we have a 6, okay, if we have a 6 with 4 zeros after it, like this. So one person said that this was 6 million. Actually, it's only 60,000. So please be careful with numbers, especially when you're talking about money, like we were talking about today. Okay, the correct word for denshi denji in English is microwave. Be careful of that one. And Europe. I think in Japan you tend to say Europa, but in English we just say Europe. Okay. So today's good and new. First Masato, he said he got a new client, another new client. I was really surprised. He says it every lesson. I think he said that his website has very good SEO and good design. He hits all the points on the page where people look, and his blog has lots and lots of keywords in it. So he has been getting many clients lately, even though his price is a little bit high. Hiroyuki told us that he went to get an iPhone 4, upgrade his phone, and the reason for this is tonight he's going to Europe for 5 days to be working with a camera crew making a TV program. His job is just taking still photos, but it sounds great, sounds like fun. Sugako, she said she went to see Koshien, which is like a Japanese high school baseball tournament, because the high school she went to was in the tournament this year. So she said it was really exciting, but this year they were kind of restrained in the audience, and no brass band, no cheer squad, because as you know, the earthquake happened last month, so people had to be a little bit less excited on TV. Okay, so today's topic, we just asked each other favorites questions. What's your favorite thing you collect? What's your favorite place in Japan? Place in Japan was interesting. Hakata, Okinawa were very popular. Everyone agreed they are really nice places, good food, good people, good scenery. Countries, Hiroyuki again told us about Canada. He loves Canada because people ice skate on the rivers, he says. TV talents, Sugako likes an actress called Eddie, who was in the movie Akunin. She said she won a role for this role in the European Film Awards recently. Masato likes the comedian Shinsuke because he is very clever, has good comedic timing, he says. And collections, I collect old cameras. And Hiroyuki said that he collects digital cameras. He showed us this really cool new Canon digital camera. And Masato said he collects sunglasses. And Sugako's very funny collection says she collects Starbucks coffee tumblers. So I guess she'll get a good one when she goes to Canada. Okay.